Hello everybody, how are you doing today? My name is Lena and today I'm gonna be showing you ways you can make money from home. So today I'm gonna be talking about 3 ways you can make money from home without having to touch your phone or calling anybody. This is a very good way, especially for stay-at-home moms. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end. So when I got my baby, I was really struggling and trying to get jobs, and most jobs that I was getting them as a customer care representative, which is really hard to do with a little baby. So these jobs, I found them for you, and I am very sure that these ones will make a difference in your life. So I'm just gonna go over them. So the first job I'm gonna be talking about today is you can become a document processor. So as I was doing my research, I came across this company called Stride. So this company I'm going to be talking about today is Stride K-12, and Stride since the year 2000 has been a leader in K-12 online education, putting quality hands-on and on curriculum directly into the homes of the students and families they support. So Stride is an online learning platform. It provides such services to parents, and that means an online platform will always need remote workers, right? So this is where you come in. As a document processor, your work is gonna be looking at documents like transcripts, report cards, verifying documents sent by parents. The role technically as a document processor will be to process and verify information. You must adhere to document processing guidelines, ensure schools and state compliance guidelines are met, enter enrollment documents such as transcripts, birth certificates, and so on, establish secure access to students, escalate the incoming and outgoing student record requests. Those are some of the things that you require as a document processor, and you do not need experience. You only need to be fast, like in typing, and really, like basic things, basic computer skills. So minimum required qualification is a high school diploma or GED or 0 to 1 years of experience. And they are gonna provide equipments for you. They're gonna give you a laptop, headphones, a mouse, a keyboard, all those kinds of things, and you to be physically present in the US for you to work as a document processor. So guys, you don't need experience in this. You only need to be at least somewhere you can work. You have full internet access. If you don't have a computer, don't worry about it. They're gonna provide it for you. So this is a very nice opportunity for you guys, especially if you have a baby. 3 places you can apply to this job: Indeed.com. You can also apply through FlexJobs. You can also apply through the company website, and you can, those 3 places. So the second way you make money online from home is through social media influencing. So here's the thing, I'm gonna be talking about social media today. You don't have to be like I said, you don't have to have so many followers, but there's untapped potential here, guys. TikTok, you go to YouTube, it's called Shorts. When you go to Facebook, it's called Reels. When you go to Instagram, it's called Reels. That is where the potential is, guys. You don't have to sit and record your video for a whole 50 minutes. No, 30 seconds, guys, and you're making money. You're gonna start making money really fast. So let me tell you, like YouTube, when you post shorts, like they push the shorts, like they help you, you get a lot of views on the shorts, like over 1,000 views. Even if you have 0 followers, you get a lot of views, and through these shorts you're gonna get subscribers, guys. So you don't have to be really good and really good at editing your videos or something. You just go in there and record a video and post. As long as people like it, it's gonna go viral, guys, and you're gonna start making money. it's not as hard as it used to be before, you know. It's better right now because even if you have 0 subscribers on YouTube, you're gonna post reels and YouTube is gonna help you push the reels out, and more people are gonna view it, and you're gonna be having, you know, you're gonna be having more subscribers. So for these reels, for these shorts, for these TikToks, like, you can do one video on TikTok, post it on Facebook, and post it on YouTube Shorts. So if you continue doing this, it's really helpful. You know, you're gonna reach monetization really fast because you can do like 20 videos. You're just at home with your baby and you're not doing much, so you just gonna go in there and just record your videos and, you know, post it, you know, 1-2 videos will go viral. I sometimes just post my videos on YouTube, and they get a lot of views, of 1,000 views. So guys, you don't have to have a big following. You only need to do it consistently. If you don't have anything, if you're not so busy, if you get some time, just post things on social media. Social media is the big thing. If you want your business to do well, the social media is where you get everything done. So guys, if you haven't, you know, signed up to TikTok, if you don't have YouTube Shorts, if you don't have Facebook Reels, then go in and sign up. So let me tell you another thing. You can do this from anywhere in the world. So let me tell you this. As long as you have following, as long as you have people following you, as long as you have people watching you, that is a resource, guys. You don't have to wait for monetization. You can influence you can, you know, market your own products. If it's a dress you're selling, if it's something, just make a video from your dress, just make a video from your water bottles, you know, and many people are gonna view it, many people are gonna see it, and some of them will buy. So that's how you influence in 2023. That's how you make money in 2023. So guys, just make sure, if you're planning to start a business, make sure you have those platforms and do it now before it becomes really hard to get viewers or subscribers or followers. So guys, that and last thing I'm gonna be talking about today is Amazon Influencer Program. If you haven't signed up to that, just go in there and sign up. So most of us have so many things from Amazon. Like, we have most times in, you know, Christmas, you end up buying so many things. You end up buying so many things every day from Amazon. Just make a video out of everything you have in the house. Everything you have in the house. Those videos are gonna make you money. You're gonna earn commission from those video, guys. So today I'm just here giving you ideas, you know, but I'm gonna do detailed videos on Amazon influencing. You don't have, go do for your friends, go do videos from, you know, things that have been bought from Amazon. You know, you don't have to have bought them. Actually, you can do videos of things that you haven't bought in the Amazon Influencer Program. So guys, with those 3 things you can make money online from, just make sure you go in there, sign up to them, apply for the job I told you about, and start making money today. You have no excuse. As a stay-at-home mom, you have no excuse. You need to just go in there and do it. Just get it done. Well, some of you will ask me, like, why are you not doing everything you're talking about? I mean, it's not logically possible to do everything, right? You can't be all over, right? Yeah, you cannot be all over. You just gotta be if you're all over, you're gonna end up doing nothing. That's why I'm sharing this with you. You do this one thing, I do this other thing, and together we'll be successful, guys, right? So if you're watching this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please just make sure you subscribe below. I'll be so happy. You know, you're gonna help me reach out to more people and tell them about these opportunities. So you're gonna help me grow too. And through that, I'm gonna be able to bring you more amazing content.